Welcome back, my beautiful friends. This is the second part of a three-part series of Principal and Porto Formoso area, aka Achada Tenda for Porto Formoso. In this one particular, we're going to the water dam in the periphery. It's a beautiful section. Hope you liked the video. Moving on to Portuguese. Caros lusófonos, este é o segundo vídeo de uma série de três da zona entre Porto Formoso, ou seja, Achada Tenda e Principal. Neste vídeo particularmente vamos ver as imagens da barragem e as zonas ao pé da barragem. Espero que gostem das imagens, porque eu também amei-as muito. E como sempre, um forte abraço a todos os lusófonos. Tchau. Alright, so I'm doing a little improvisation. I'm not even using any of my accessories with my action camera, but I'm gonna walk up the stairs just to take a look. Do you see the quality of the images that I get with this little bad boy? To me, I'll take this any day over a DSLR camera. The hell is that? Bulky, poor stabilization, although you can just have slightly better, no, it has way better photo images, still images. And it has cinematic mode, but you can get cinematic mode in the larger, the higher end iPhones and Samsungs and whatnot. So I'd rather invest in a good phone and a good action camera than add another equipment, different type of equipment, DSLR. Anyway, here we go.
It almost looks like a human head. I'm starting to see the moon. So gorgeous place. I mentioned this in a video 3 weeks ago. But it wasn't in this part. It was by the shore. This is about 3 miles in, where you have the water dam, and you just have valleys on both sides. And I would have to say, at least for me, this is probably the most beautiful section area of Santiago Island. And with that said, I'm gonna have to put this bad boy back in my car. Deuces.
Those lights, camera action when I step into the limelight. Easily adapted to the high life. Dressed to impress like it's prom night. And when you live in top shelf, you know you gotta set the bar high. Had the same dreams since we was kids. Big trips, big cars, and even bigger cribs. Never thought that it would happen just the way it did. Fast forward that now, it's just the way we live. That's good food and drinks. My mood makes you think that this life's made for a king. The room starts to shake so smooth if you blink, you might